Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Wall Grommets is probably one of the most underrated solutions for anyone dealing with cable management. Whether you're setting up a home theater, organizing an office, or just trying to tidy up your living space, these simple devices can make a huge difference. They not only keep your cables organized and out of sight, but also protect them from damage and create a much cleaner, more professional look. Number 5. ECHOGEAR White TV Cord Hider Easy Cable Management Kit. Are you looking for a way to hide those unsightly cables? This kit provides a simple solution for managing your TV wires, keeping them hidden and out of sight. Installation is a breeze with this DIY kit. All you need is a drill, and you can complete the setup in about 20 minutes. It's that simple. This product is designed to accommodate HDMI, AUX, and other low-voltage cables. It also works with in-wall rated power cables, ensuring a clean and organized look. The kit comes with a drywall hole saw drill attachment for a perfect fit. The grommets lock onto the back of your drywall for a secure install. It's even useful in a zombie apocalypse. The flexible pass-through grommets can comfortably fit multiple large HDMI cables. There's plenty of room for even your thickest cords, keeping everything tidy. Want to customize it? These grommets are paintable for maximum concealment. Plus, we're helping the planet by planting a tree for every unit sold. What we like. This kit offers a super fast installation, saving you time and effort. Its paintable design allows it to blend seamlessly with your wall, maintaining a clean aesthetic. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-install solution that prioritizes aesthetics, you should consider this one. What people say. Installation. Easy peasy. You don't need a degree in engineering, just a drill and 20 minutes of your precious time. Boom, cords banished behind the wall. This bad boy hides most of your TV cables, except the power-hungry ones, sorry. Think HDMI, AUX, even speaker wires, they're all out of sight, out of mind. The handy pass-throughs let you add or remove cables whenever, keeping your entertainment setup flexible as ever. Number 4. VCE Brush Wall Plate Cable Pass-Through, White, 2-pack. Tired of messy cables? This product allows you to run cables through your walls quickly and easily. It keeps everything neat and organized. Whether it's HDMI, coaxial, or speaker wires, this is designed to handle it. It's also suitable for network and other low-voltage cables. This product offers a versatile solution for your needs. Made from flame-retardant ABS materials, this product is built to last. It ensures safety and reliability for your home or office. Installation is a breeze and can be completed in minutes. Simply insert the brush into the casing and mount it on the wall. The package includes all the necessary screws. You'll receive 2 brush wall plates, 2 low-voltage mounting brackets, and an 18-month warranty. This product offers both quality and peace of mind. What we like. This product is made of durable and flame-retardant ABS materials, ensuring safety. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-install solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The brush wall plate design is ingenious, allowing me to easily pass through various cables without the hassle of dealing with messy holes or gaps. It's incredibly easy to install, thanks to the included bracket, which ensures a secure and stable fit. Not only does this wall plate effectively manage my cables, but it also prevents dust from entering through the wall openings, which is a great bonus for maintaining a clean environment. Number 3. Speedy'Z Spring Lock Cable Passport, 2-inch. Introducing the Speedy'Z Cable Passport. It offers all the benefits of a standard cable port without any hassle. This is the perfect solution to keep your space tidy and organized. This cable port features a flexible grommet and spring locks. These secure the port in place, ensuring your cables stay put. It's designed for both convenience and reliability. Installation is a breeze. Simply drill a hole, insert the port, and run your cables through. It's also paintable, so it can blend seamlessly with your wall. This is ideal for wall-mounted TVs and speaker installations. Whether it's in your wall or ceiling, it provides a clean and professional look. It's a versatile solution for any setup. Made from durable plastic and rubber. The hole size needed is 2 to 1 2 inches, with an inner diameter of 2 inches. It comes in a clean white color, ready to complement any decor. What we like. The spring lock design ensures a secure hold, keeping your cables in place. It is also quick and easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you like a simple, yet effective solution for your cable management needs, you should consider this one. What people say. Worked great for pulling network cable though. I pulled about 9 different lines with room to spare. Cut the hole at 2.5 and inserted and done. Super clean looking. Easy install using a 2.5-inch hole saw. The opening was large enough to accommodate the angled 3-prong plug on the UPS. I cut a 2-1-2 circular hole through my sheetrock wall with my drill. I have the saw attachment, and installed the first one there with the strong spring clips that hold it in place. A solid, finished look for the wires and the job was done. Number 2. ECHOGEAR Wall Cable Management Kit. Tired of messy cables? This in-wall cable management kit helps you hide all the power, video, and sound cables. It keeps your setup clean and organized. The kit includes in-wall rated power cables, ensuring your gear is safe and up to code. This provides peace of mind while concealing your cables. It comes with a hole saw drill attachment and hand saw for easy drywall cutting. You'll just need a drill, and the whole process takes about 30 minutes. The kit includes everything you need, like a 6-foot extension cord and cable clips. It's designed for a quick and easy installation, making it a great solution. The low voltage pass-through comfortably holds 4 large HDMI cables, with flexibility for more. Locking brackets keep the modules securely in the wall. Does your soundbar have an external power supply? No problem. The kit includes a splitter cord, allowing you to hide the power brick behind your TV. What we like. This kit not only conceals cables but also powers your devices, offering a comprehensive solution. It comes with everything you need for a quick installation, making it incredibly convenient. If you have a TV and soundbar setup and want a complete, all-in-one solution, you should consider this one. What people say. This kit is top-notch on quality, construction, ease of use and functionality. Kit installed flawlessly and I have no visible wires now. The instructions are clear and humorous. Installation was straightforward and the end result looks fantastic. Number 1. Cable Management Grommet with Cover. Tired of messy cables? This product is designed to manage and protect your wires and cords. It's a simple solution to keep everything organized. This self-locking grommet secures and locks easily. You can install it without needing access to the back of the surface. It's quick and convenient. The grommet encases and protects your cables. It allows for a full, unobstructed pass-through of up to 112 inches in diameter. This design ensures your cables are well protected. No tools are needed for installation. The adjustable cap slider opening makes it easy to use. It's a user-friendly design for everyone. It works on surfaces from 3/8 inch to 1 thick. You can use a 2/3/8 drill bit or other saw to create the hole. It's versatile and adaptable. This product is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it's reusable, so you can relocate it as needed. It's a durable and practical choice. What we like. The self-locking grommet design makes installation easy, even without access to the back of the surface. It works on all surfaces, providing versatility for various setups. If you are looking for a flexible and reusable solution for different surfaces, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect for running wires for a wall-hung TV. Cleans up the holes that were drilled in drywall. An easy and inexpensive solution. I put new flooring in and put these in my living room floor, look much cleaner. Simple, not costly and does the job, looks professional. This grommet or perhaps better pass-through does a lovely neat job. I think I read somewhere that the best hole saw size was 2/3/8, 60 mm, yeah. So that is what I used. The in-wall part of the bush slid in very nicely with this size of hole. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.